Yes, Artifacts, what are you saying, bro? It's going to be a bit quiet in here because Original Mr. Runnings says FFS. Mike Richmond. Oh, shizzle. It's going to be one of them quiet days because I'm only streaming on YouTube and Twitch. Facebook just feels like a bit too much pressure to have to like do stuff that's actually sort of like, look at the shiny things. Make a jump up preset. I have made a whole bank of presets for jump up for Vital. I've done a whole bank now, which I'm going to sell tomorrow. It's going to be uploading tomorrow. Danny says, let's turn the chat on, shall we? The chat is ready to display messages. Is it going to work? Danny says, yes, dude. Doing the same myself right now in Falcon. And you popped up. Hello. Yes, mate. Navy says, oi, oi. What are you saying? Original Mr. Running says, Vital. Ha ha ha. You're feeling precious today, Tom. I don't know what that means. Original Mr. Runnings. Original WOLFPACK. WOLFPACK, assemble! Dawn Hub says, assemble! Artifacts says, test. Michael Foy says, Necron. Bildo says, are they screechy metallic ones? We could go through them. They're going to be, Ellis says, bonfire Facebook. That's what I'm saying, bruv. We can have a listen through the jump up ones in a minute. Mike Richmond says, save. I haven't got anything to save, bro. Unless it's the initialized preset, which we'll put into one voice legato just to get started. Dawn Hub says, I'm currently making another stonking cinematic sting to my occult intro. We got 16 people. Can you have a look at the studio? That's my deck set up. I keep agreeing to do things and then realizing I do not have enough time to do them, but somebody asked me to do a mix for them. And I just don't know if I'm going to have time to do that. Ellis says Discord is the place. Yeah, join the Discord. Link in the description. Guy Fawkes says, I'm currently making toast. Who's got call options in GME right now? That's the ultimate trolling, isn't it? We've got 19 people in. YouTube just seems like such a more chilled place than Facebook. Because Facebook just goes runs up to 100, 150 people, and then it just goes rat and just dies. Navy says, oi, TC, my Mac is too old to get Vital. Really? So Dawn Hub says, I'm currently making another stonking cinematic sting to my occult intro. That's cool. I looked into the pricing. I emailed a company about getting some WOLFPACK coins made out of solid silver. And they come up at let me see if I can bring up a calculator. I haven't got it on there, but they were £44 each after everything, VAT and all that stuff. And I just don't know if that's going to really be working. But I might get them and just give them out. I might get a bunch and then just sort of free coin. Necron says Facebook doesn't have a doorman. Well, Facebook just seems like people kind of go on there when they're on the toilet or something. Ellis says, I want to buy some Discord stocks. I don't know if they've IPO'd yet. They were half ounce for £44. So original Mr. Running says, what weight were they? And they're half ounce coins. So that's so high above spot price. I just, it's just ridiculous. Almost 4 or 5 times the value of the silver. And I just don't know if that's going going to work. Dawn Hub says Facebook is for infinite scrollers. It is. They just come on and go like, oh, I'll have a look at that. Unless you're literally sort of jumping off a building or DJing on a mountain or in a hot air balloon or in some kind of 3D environment, you're just not going to capture people's imaginations. DJ Dom says, yeah. What are you saying, bro? It just seems like a much more sort of like intimate thing with YouTube. Alessandro says, actually made a live stream after so long. Big ups, loving all the content recently. Mad. I've been trying to do a video every day, and today I'm just not going to have enough time to put a video together. So I thought I'd just do a live stream instead. I just want to keep the YouTube algorithm happy, which is weird. I'm trying to keep robots happy, but I figured I'd do a little live stream, and then the algorithm's just going to be like, we still give you those views, TC. That should be stocks. Who won the first comment today? That's been quite a good competition, I've got to say. Ellis Palmer's been representing. Necron says the talk videos were great. Good insights. Yeah, I got some more ideas for those. A few little ideas. Artifacts says, lol, I tried doing daily videos one day, but honestly, screw that. It works maybe for the first week and then just slowly felt the burnout creeping in. I've been managing to do it for almost an entire month. And it's not that bad if you sort of stay disciplined. Danny says, yeah, snap to that. Big ups for the YouTube content in recent times. Flat out. Hope you're getting the benefit. You know what? I'll tell you how much I've made off YouTube. O and P says, what's up, TC? What are you saying, bro? He is the only Twitch viewer right now. Hello. Hello, Twitch. I made like £46 this month on YouTube ad revenue, which in my mind is like smashing it. Chunky Brothers says, not the only one. It only says I've got one on Twitch right now on my statistics. Big up our Twitch massive. Yes. So lonely. I got one of those. I got a pang. Let's have a look then. I'll show you my jump up presets real quick that I made. Jump up bass. I've already put it into the thing. I kind of messed it up, but there's 31 of them. And pang-a-lacking good is the ultimate. Oh, God. Sophie is in the building. Hello, Soph. My missus upstairs working away. And this is my work. Bildo says, well, if you make £1 every day, then you'll be making £360 a day, but I'm sure you meant a year. £360 a year is not really going to pay the mortgage. But what really is good for me from YouTube is the amount of new subscribers, getting like 350 a month now, or nearly 400 a month. So like lots of new people. And it's the only real social networking that I can see that is building from my point of view. So I think that's one of the best. I think that's one of the best pangs I've made. So this is the pack. We've got. Luca Francis says, I just copped the jungle bass presets. Can't wait to use them. They're actually really good. Grumpy John is in the building. Hello. We've got 25 people on YouTube. Builder says, now what I mean is if it increases £1 a day, by the end of the year, it'll be £300. Yeah, I see what you're saying, but it's not increasing by £1 a day. That would be great. Pixel is in the building. Morning, Wolfpack. Morning, everybody. This feels so much more chilled than when I've got the Facebook on, because it's just like so much pressure when you got so many people watching, and it's not the real Wolfpack. The real Wolfpack is definitely a YouTube kind of community. Multicam setup. I had this like camera slider that was like moving the camera along, and it broke, and it was like £200. So I don't know really what's going on with that. So it was a bit annoying. Bass Fanatic says, good afternoon. Hello, Bass Fanatic. Purple J says, how's the wolf's leg? The wolf's leg is now fixed. He has cured it himself by a couple of days of rest. Navy says, still in love with your 1,000 massive presets. Awesome. Nice one, bro. Thank you for getting them. That's very, very much appreciated. Original Miss Running says, I like to reverse engineer presets to learn what's going on. Ellis says, any wobblers in, guy? I don't have any of those buttons. I got rid of the buttons. As I said in the last stream, I'll probably get them back. What I've got my mind on is like one of those big stream decks just here, somehow attached to the desk, so I can like smash out all of my things, because I use all these buttons in front of me here. Where's the best camera angle? All these buttons here for like plugins and stuff. CK Play says, I'm going to uni this year to study digital production. I know it's something you disagree on, but I want to become a sound engineer, mixing, etc. That's all good, bro. I don't necessarily disagree, but just use all of the resources that are available to you. Necron says, we are forgiving people. Original Mr. Running says, you know there's no pressure from us. I feel the pressure sometimes, I'm not going to lie. But when there's only like 30 or 40 people watching, it's a bit more chilled than like when it's 100 or more. Mike says, I just regained Native Instruments back to have the 1,000 presets back. Nice. Purple says, head of the pack again then. Bruno says, I love the Jungle Pack. It's fire. Already finished a tune with them. Awesome. I hope you're all changing them up a little bit. Ellis says, you know there's a Stream Deck app for the iPhone. Yeah, I'm not paying for an app for that. I just can't bring myself to do it. I'm watching this other chat. There's trader.tv, which I started watching in the afternoons now at like 2 o'clock. And they go in on that show, man. Original Mr. Runny says, yo, TC, where's my mofo free hat? I distinctly remember you saying free hats. Yeah. You can get them, but they're not free. They're on my website. John says, you know the thing I hate about music production is the cost. I swear to God, I would do this so much more if it didn't break me. There's like quite a lot of free plugins now. And, you know, it ain't really what... Like, it ain't really sort of... that you can make a good tune on not a lot of stuff, I reckon. Just literally a sampler. I mean, back in the day, we used to just use this stuff. And like, you know, we made all right tunes. I think Necron just did a super chat. Is that for real? I'm not sure. I can't really tell. But if you did, thank you very much. Appreciate that, bro. Quite like this one. £2. Thank you, bro. You really don't have to. You guys don't have to be doing super chats. This is the... you know what? I'll take your Swiss money all day, bro. That Swiss change is hot change. Thank you, Navy. I appreciate it. The Swiss franc is a very strong currency. I've been learning so much about things and like not playing about on the stock market. But I got this one stock. None of this is financial advice at all. But I got this one stock, HCMC. And it's at point 0.00011 pence. And I'm convinced it's going to get to $1 by the end of the year. So it's HCMC to the moon. I like this one. Original Mr. Runner says Switzerland's the global safe house. And they just delinked the Swiss franc to the euro, which is... I had these two notes, these two, like, 500 euro notes that I came across. And I took them down the post office like an idiot, right? Go walking down there and present them. And I'm like, can I change these for £4, please? And they just, like, laughed in my face. Massive big up to Bildo for the £4.99. Thank you so much, man. That's really cool. I appreciate you. You guys don't have to be doing these super chats. Artifact says, man, I'm working on new tune and it's so close to being done. It's just a few small gaps and I've been breaking my head over what to fill them with for the last 2 days now. Go buy some presets off me, bro. I'm sure there's some gaps that can be filled with some of my presets. tcdnb.com. That one's called Squeaker. Navy says, everything here is not so pink like everyone thinks. Original Mr. Running says, as soon as it goes below 14 pence, I'm on it. What, the HCMC? That sounds like an MC name, isn't it? HCMC. Do you want to ride with me? Come ride with me with the HCMC. Maybe if I did a song or something, then we could get everyone to buy it and pump the stock. To the moon. Webmanic says, can I do some minimal presets? What kind of basses are minimal basses? Original Mr. Runny says XRP. I lost about 50 quid on XRP. I got you. Base Fanatic says, did I ever get my money out of Dillinger's holding account? It wasn't Dillinger that money, that tune's about, man. So these are the new jump up bass presets. Oh! Mike Richards says, Mr. TC, do I ever use the pink noise trick for mixdowns? Well, I do have pink noise, and what I would probably do is load up like a Oh, it's been a while since we've been in here, but like IXL and pink noise there, and then just when you look on the spectrum analyzer at the pink noise, then you can kind of learn that as sort of like where your stuff should be hitting, kind of. Mainly the top end, really. But yeah. Back to Vital. Sam Johnson says that tune did define my teenage years, though. But it wasn't about anything to do with that, the money thing. I can't even actually really remember what it was about. I think it was a remix that I never got paid for or something like that. But you know what? I got you on this pack. Nice one, Bildo. Where am I? Jump up. Jump up bass. Yosef says, what's the pink noise trick? What am I missing here? So there's a school of thought that says if you turn your tune mic down and then you listen to it with pink noise, whatever sticks up above the pink noise, you should either turn down or EQ out so that your tune is flat like pink noise. But I'm not sure if that's really a thing, because I've seen a lot of producers who do not do that. Namely, like Rob Swire, who's got massive peaks up at like 4K. John says, I got a couple of Major Lasers lean on stems. Fancy remixing it for a stream. Could be interesting. That's already kind of been done, but I might have a little go. I'm trying to get away from things that sort of stay away from being demonetized on YouTube, because I want to naturally build the monetization. Artifact says pink noise works, but for some artists, for sure, don't do it. Looks like some of Memphis tunes in the high end is way louder. Like for some tracks, it works. Yeah. Webb says, nah, I disagree with that. The high end should slightly peak above. Yeah, I think so too. And we're like back in day, we were all obsessed with making things as flat as possible. And now I'm not sure if I feel that's the right way to go anymore. Sam says, I've got the Rihanna We Found Love stems. Would love to hear another Rihanna bootleg. That would be a good bootleg. Talking of notes, still waiting on the F note pack. Well, I need to make the Foghorn MIDI pack. Original Mr. Runner says subjective, depends on the style of tune you're making. So this pack I'm going to drop tomorrow. This might turn into a tune kind of day today. I got this idea of getting them drums out that I use for the remix and making a couple original sort of bangers. preset's gonna get rinsed. I just know it. I gotta do it before we all cane it. Oh yeah, I don't mind anymore. I got to the point now that it's just all good, isn't it? There's so much out there. This one's called Triple Threat. The best sounding ones are the ones that go into the red. Original Mr. Running says that one I need. Which one? The Triple Threat? Blimey. Fair. Screw you, Trading 212. This was yesterday when Trading 212 went down, and I was shorting the S&P 500. Was it? No, the Nasdaq, because it was like dropping like a stone, and I was like, right, I'm gonna scalp like a few quid on this. I only ever do like little trades. 20. If I make like £2, I'm like, yeah, that's a good day. Greyhound Project says, how much will the pack be, TC? Come on, everyone, tell him how much it's going to cost. We all know what it's going to cost. Although I'm worried, if in a situation of hyperinflation, do I have to go to my website and change all the prices of my stuff when like currencies start going nuts? Like, I like the price 420. It seems like a real chilled out sort of price. But like, I don't want to ever have to change that. It might have to be £14.20. And I do think to myself quite a lot, if I just did a pack for 15 quid, like I'd probably make like 3 times the amount of money, but with 3 times less the amount of people buy it. Necron says, wouldn't the £420 just be worth more? No, because I reckon we're gonna hit some inflation at some point, and I'll have to work out another pricing strategy. Which one is called Blue Mountain Smoke Machine? I don't think I got one in there. That's a good name for a preset. I'm going to do a few presets now, like foghorns for a foghorn pack. It's just all good stuff in here. This one's a bit mad, isn't it? That sounds like an intro. And then we just go, huh? Yosef says, are those presets made from built-in waveforms, or are they self-made? I just really only use like the regular waveforms. Literally, I just normally just use basic shapes. Ratchet, what's going on? It says, yo, WOLFPACK, greetings from Germany. Nice presets, by the way. Big up, pro. We could find a drum break and make a tune, but really, I should be making presets today. Although, does the world need any more foghorns? Bildo says 10 DJs just stood watching their mate play stomps. I am convinced that the whole thing is like, we need more hybrid Reese's. Ooh, a Reese pack, yeah? Bass Fanatic says no more foghorns, please. But I feel like that there could be a foghorn pack for Vital, because maybe that doesn't exist. Navy says, any jungling guy. I don't have any of those. I could probably find the files and I could just play them. But that's a bit rags, isn't it? Let's see what I got. Streaming, video assets, VT, jungle. I mean, you can't hear it. There it is. Monk Audio says you could do maybe a video in the future showing how I process drum breaks. I don't do a lot, man. I just record them right, and then that's really all you got to do. I do have a long recording of drum breaks that I could just load in here and just sort of show you what's going on. I got to think where this microphone is covered in husky fur. I will bring back all that VT stuff. But I wanted to, like, my OBS was just like crushing it on CPU, and it just wasn't really working out. So I needed to clear it all out. And I put in things like this. Is it that? I made that. I want it all to be flashy like this. So I've been making all this stuff. I got my spinny 3D tcdnb.com. Loving that. Have you still got all the old amens? Can I have the amens? Can you send me a DM with them amens, please? I don't have any of those anymore. John says, could I get a shout out to Rex the Majestic Husky on Instagram? He's my boy. I'm just going to find them beats. 1 second. 2020. December. Remix. Drum recordings. Raw Drums Bounce. Is that the one? Pretty nice sounding drums. Not going to lie. Yeah, everybody go follow Rex the Majestic Husky. So type in the name so they can all find it on Instagram. You need beats? I got you. Need drums in your life? Somebody said something about the basic saw. Artifact says, yeah, I need to get on making new graphics for my stream soon. Yeah, I need to make a big list of graphics and then just go in on it. I really like the DnB news. I could have done the DnB news better as well. So I just want to go back in, but I was like rinsing out my OBS and it all felt a little bit too hectic. Where's that comment about? Bildo says, I'd rather have a riser pack than foghorns. Interesting. You know, I don't have that in my notes, so I'm going to make a risers pack as well. Where's that? Vital, preset ideas, risers. Saunameister says, Oi, TC. What's going on, bro? I can hear a Pang Pang tune coming. Navy says, I follow Rex on IG. Leon, we have a riser pack vote also. That's 2 votes for risers. What, like 30 risers, £4.20? Very good price for you, my friend. Ah, there it is. Do you think the world needs another Pang Pang tune? This is my terrible drumming. Oh, I like that snare there. That's a nice one. That hat's a bit loud, but that could still work. You know, whatever, innit? Let's get some beats going. Need to get a little. Shall I save this as something? Because it's happening, isn't it? Really. Oh, it's happening. 2021 January dub plates. Let's have a name. Let's go for a name. Where's all my naming crew? Where's all my naming crew? Naming crew. Very, very nice. Very, very cheap. £1 fish. Artifacts comes in with the Pang tune. To be fair, £1 fish does seem like a good name for a tune. One Pang fish. Let's make a little drum rack here. That's a really nice snare, that one. We'll have that. Now, can I just literally drag that down into my drum rack? If I do a little edit thing. There it goes. Do a little zoomies on that. Classic mode. We have a snare. Very, very nice. Very, very cheap. One Pang fish. Could do my little edits here before dragging them in. That'd be good, wouldn't it? That's going to be a hat. Oh man, this microphone is so covered in husky fur. It's killing me. It's the joys of having a husky companion. I don't even feel like I own the dog. I don't think anybody really owns a dog. £2 of Pang, please. Right, find a nice kick. I think this one's a good kick. Sounds like it. The thing is, when you're playing the drums, if you don't hit the snare and the hat exactly the same time, they're going to be out of line with each other and it makes for not such good drum hits. As you can see, my hat is quite way off on that kick. But it is quite a fat sort of sounding thing. So let's just... go in on that. And I don't like delay and reverb buses. Drum rack. And we just stick it down here. So that's the basics of a beat, isn't it? Hat, kick, and snare. Maybe a couple more hats just for sort of like the sake of it. I'm not going to be making another preset pack today, am I? Original Miss Running says, I am a carp fisherman. There seems to be a lot of carp fishermen in the drum and bass community. I feel like Heist is a carp fisherman, and I'm sure I've seen Benny L out on the lake. I've caught a couple fish in my life. Oh, you know what's just started? It's time for Trader.tv.
Good evening, wherever you happen to be in the world. Welcome to TraderTV.live. North American stock futures back in negative territory, looking to extend the sell-off. We saw kickoff on Wednesday. All three markets.
That's me now. I'm just going to be watching this.
The Dow recording their worst single-day performance since back in October. Meanwhile, we had regulators and exchanges coming out after.
I'm just going to leave that one in the background.
Comments and saying that they're going to monitor the situation with these highly speculative stocks.
This
Increased online chatter when it comes from retail trading around certain.
They are all screwing about retail investors. It's hilarious. Like the small man's coming back.
NASDAQ CEO Adena Friedman said their exchange will halt trading in stocks if they link unusual activity to heightened social media chatter.
The NASDAQ are going to halt trading. Wow.
All lower after earnings were better than expected right across the board. We have GME, AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond again today. There's Koss, there's Nokia, BlackBerry as well back on watch. GME topping out above $500 in the pre-market this morning. It's Thursday, January 28th, 2021. TraderTV.live starts now.
Oh, that sounds nice already.
Look at Asian markets from the overnight session. Yeah, negativity spilling over.
Just very, very sort of nice, them kind of drums.
2.5%, 2.8%. For the Chinese markets there, everything else 1+.
Bitcoin's going to have a pullback, I reckon. I'm not sure about a crash.
A little bit better off.
But I sure as hell wouldn't be in a speculative asset like that. This is not advice, financial advice.
Well, let's shift over one more time.
It's not a financial advice.
American markets here, you can see,
So I'm going to turn this off.
so far.
We don't need to hear it. I can just have it on in the background. It's got a vibe to it, that. Should we do like a little kick down at the end there? Oh, I did that in the wrong place. So we want it on the ends of the 8 there. Or the 16. We'll go 16. Don't want to get too keen up in this piece. Right. I'm missing a lot of chat. Put all your money in potatoes. I would say gold and silver, but this is not financial advice. Definitely not. I am stupid and I have no idea about finance. Tristan Morel sounds like TC. Because he said it sounded like someone else. Yeah, we got our ways in here, innit? We all know what's going on. I can't believe there's like nearly 40 people watching now, which is maybe even more across like Twitch and YouTube. I'm just busting out a little beat. And we got the Vital here, and we're probably going to need some more Vitals. Future Soul Audio says, put all your money in preset food shares. I am not listed in the stock exchange, but maybe one day. If anyone wants to invest, I'm open to offers. Bildo says, why are they freezing the NASDAQ? They are going to freeze it because of some, you know what? But I could go in on this. It is a weird situation. Basically, all of the Wall Street guys are being like battled by all of the retail investors. And the idea of retail investors is basically it's like people like you and me on Trading 212 or on... Probably not Trading 212 because that one's not actually linked. But all the people, like the small time traders, and they're all basically fighting Wall Street because Wall Street made big mistakes. They were shorting stocks. And what people are doing is they're doing what's called a short squeeze, which means they're going against the shorts of Wall Street. So like millions of people all putting in little bits to drive up stocks so that the big Wall Street guys are like hitting their margin calls. So a margin call is when you have basically lost so much money that your like broker is like, you need to give me more money, otherwise you can't stay in this stock. So like basically it's everyone teaming up and they just they can't control it. And it's amazing. It's just like people voting. It's like people just saying kind of like F you to like the whole thing. And it's just all the traders that I follow are just, it's just a laugh. It's good. Showing like the power of the people, really. Original Mr. Running says, this is where crypto goes bang. I do not know about that. The only thing I don't like is I want a kick on its own. So I'm just going to find a kick on its own and put it into that drum rack. Because I don't like the hat on that kick. That may not have been the right strategy there, but it is what it is. Let me find the kick now. Rufio says, you also took part in this GameStop thing. No, but I've been watching it. I did look at GameStop stocks, but my stockbroker will not allow me to buy GameStop. It's like the ultimate troll, but like it's costing Wall Street like billions. It's so good. It's like the ultimate. There's a kick on its own. It's the ultimate troll. They're trolling the stock market. And the stock market guys are all getting like, they're saying like, oh, it could be foreign powers doing this or rare. But it's not. Everyone's just at home, got nothing better to do. And then you know what it's like on the internet once an idea takes hold. It just goes nuts. So that's what's going on. And as long as you stay liquid in the market and you do not stay invested, you probably have some fun with it. Original Mr. Running says, oh, that's what GameStop is. Yeah, so it's just the whole thing is just basically a few big Wall Street investors were shorting the stock for more than it was worth. And that's actually should be illegal, really. So they just called them out on it. And now they're searching for all of these other companies that are like short selling stocks and they're driving up the prices just to troll them so that they hit their margin calls. Because at a certain point, when you're betting that a stock is going to go down, like your stockbroker is going to say you've lost so much money because it's gone up so far that we are going to have to basically cut you off. So that's what's going on. Power to the people. And the whole thing with Tesla and Tesla being like overvalued is really interesting, because I think it's just people voting really for Elon Musk. Almost like Elon Musk for president kind of vibe. Because if you give him enough money, he can change everything. Or, you know, he'll get bumped off by the evil lizard people. I liked it when YouTube was full of that stuff. That stuff was fun. Oh, that's like me talking in the background on the thing.
Okay, we are actually recording this.
Ah, what does it say there?
Okay, we are actually recording this time.
Ah, so we are actually recording this time. That sounds like a bad mix, doesn't it? Ellis Palmer says, keep it in. Keep the background noises in. It's not a bad shout, mate. Necron says, Tesla is dodgy as hell. He's only successful due to the government grants, which should have gone to NASA. Oh, I don't know about that. Because there's two separate companies. He did bid for those contracts. I don't know. I get the feeling that Elon Musk is not that bad of a person, really. I'd like to think that. But it's just different worlds, man. Harry says, I would like to arrange a call with you about our platform. What's your platform, bro? Necron says he pays almost zero tax and receives taxpayer money. Dodgy. Yeah, but name me one big business guy that pays tax. You can't blame them for having good accountants. Original Mr. Running says, Elon Musk, if you watch Future Man on Amazon, I think he's going to be the guy to upload your consciousness to a computer. Would you do that? Would you upload your consciousness to a computer? I feel like you'd have to die in the process. There's probably some weird talking in the background here that I could put in there.
So the idea is really...
And it's just me talking on the video bit that I was recording. Mike Richardson says, I need a good accountant. Original Mr. Running says, when you operate in private, you don't need to pay tax. Harry says, I still have the computer music video you did with James on the phone. I don't like that computer music video. I can't bring myself to watch it. It's like seeing yourself young and like an idiot. So there was one bit that sounded like an intro in those Vital presets. So let me just duplicate this. It was like those ones that were like, it was just hectic, innit? Elon should just focus on making plugins. He would make really good plugins. Did I bake a lot of cakes that day, TC? Maybe. I was quite the baker in them times. Them days. Is that echoing? I feel like it'll be echoing for you guys. That's probably not the one, actually, from an intro point of view. I think I had some other ones. Jungle Bass. Original Mr. Running says, is that the one button intro? There's plenty of those, mate. Necron says, does he really invent stuff, or does he pay smart people to make stuff and then leave their names off like Steve Jobs? I mean, yeah, probably. But if you've got the money, I could probably use, I got an arpeggiator pack actually that would work well for what's going on here. Let's do that instead. Arpeggiators. Bang, 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 bang. Are we going for an F song, or I feel like lower is better? Artifix says, anyway, lads, I'm going to dive into Ableton and see if I can get this tune done today. Go on, bro. Adam May says, TC Hopkins. I like that. I like it a lot. Let's get a little GML and SPL iron and K-clip. Rob Palmer, bruh, I can't speak. Rob Palmer says, "You got this." £1 fish. £1 fish. Ah. Let's get another bass thing. I know that there's one that's just like real, like just go. This pack is gonna be out tomorrow. Jump up bass. Oh, let's just get rid of the. If I start editing these notes to be better, these things to be better, then you'll have to do it yourself because I bounced the pack out now. Spam, where's the spam? Oh no, they're getting blocked. Man's get blocked. Think I might have to just relax on the release on that for a second. Vital. £1 fish. Let's get rid of every other one of these. Wobble, yeah? Can we get a minimal foghorn jump up jungle liquid wobbler? That's a lot of conditions. Rob Palmer says, I'll do what my nan does and sellotape £27 coins to a card piece, son. Adam May says, when's the next 30 and 30? Ah, it's too much. Apparently AMC is rebounding. That's the stock, not the artist. Let's get another Vital. What have I got in Vital? I've got more things. Do. This is the usual now, isn't it? Remember this, where I would just go like, I just hit save. Thanks to all you not saying that I should hit save. Pep2 says, how is life? Life is good. I'm doing something I shouldn't be. Da. I'm not sure if that's the right noise, to be fair. There is a jump up pack dropping tomorrow. I hope. I don't hope, but it's happening. It's got to happen. Otherwise, I'm going to be too poor to live. And Rex won't get to eat. So, yeah, I made a jump up bass pack, and it's going to... Yeah, Rex needs his steak. I got loads more basses that I can try out, actually. You can hear the cogs in my mind slowly turning back into making music mode. Jungle bass. That's a bit farty. I think what I need to do is load up a contact. I'm out of coffee. It's sad. I'm drinking like the last dregs and like trying to swill it so I don't get any of the nasty bits. How gross is that? And I can't really take a break. I need just a drip. Coffee drip. Oh, it's trading kicked off now. Should we see what they're going? What's happening in here now?
Nokia Tesla is here as well. And
oh, maybe not for another half an hour.
Worth mentioning simply based on the fact that, yes, some of these earnings reports have multiple analyst moves to go with those guys.
Yeah, we're going to, I mean, oh, hells to the yeah right now. And we ring the register on some of these plays right for the longer term. And that was an amazing quarter. You're downside, a big $2.50 win right now on AAL. When Lewis was on there, he talked about this 2280 level. That was about as clear as day. Like, he talked about playing breakouts, and you're 100% right, Lewis. That's exactly what we play. And this is a breakout right there to the downside. We tried it on failed. We tried it on AMC right now. Would set it.
The post $1. They'll see it for 5.
Time move to the downside here on AMC. If you're watching this one, no idea. We were long out for some profits.
AMC's ripping.
Defending that 1450 level. It breaks. We get that out of there, and now it just comes crashing to the downside. Is this a buying opportunity?
Oh, look at AMC. It's crashing out. Whoa.
AMC. I don't know if there's anything on any board.
Oh, what's that? That's like.
Now AMC back down to 12. Nice little bottom pick there if you got 11s. But let's just see what happens now on AMC. The dream is still alive. This is still a big stock. 64 million shares. Did 1.15 billion yesterday. But it's crack-lacking. And right now we have a nice little win on AAL. Let's get out of some of this as well.
Yeah. The same thing here, guys. Looks like the entire group just absolutely falling on its face.
So everyone's getting out before Friday, innit?
82 there on that move. So huge moves in some of these to the downside. Let's quickly bring in Arun here.
You know what? I could be shorting these.
As far as the futures are concerned, making moves.
It was quite the run, especially since 8:30 when that GDP number came out, right? It was flat, but for the most part, we are taking off. I guess that was.
Oh, well, I don't get FOMO.
If we get above 70, we're sitting at 70 now. If we can just settle above.
I got this bass, America bass music patch. So I made a contacts instrument called America Bass Music. There's actually 2 of them.
And then anytime we come down, I'm just going to start picking up some bids. Until we crack that 3730, I think we got to look at the upside as the major side of today. And on the top end, I've got 3825 as the top end level. We are quite the distance away, but 3825 above us. And for now, we are going to be looking at the long side. I'm going to be getting into some longs fairly soon.
Great stuff. Thanks so much, Arun. We'll check back in again tomorrow morning. Guys, maybe we can do a 3-shot here or something. This is pretty unprecedented as far as the moves down here. In,
pretty unprecedented.
Following $10, $20, $30 in some cases. I think it's safe to say, you know, if you have expectations of what ranges could be today, we have to kind of throw those out the window.
Ellis Palmer says, sell the contact instruments. I do plan on selling the contact instruments, but I want to make sure that they're amazing before I do that. So I want to make sure they're absolutely perfect.
Tried to pick this up at the bottom at 140. When I saw it start to turn here, there was a big bid at 150.
So's on a conference call and she can't bother to listen to it.
Looked like it was gonna go.
The thing I like about this stock trading stuff is I like the hectic nature of it. I think it's really cool the way that they present this show, and I'd like to do like a drum and bass production show like that.
I just noticed that BlackBerry here had made a bit of a $2 push to the upside. That's much better in terms of a bounce than I think some of the other names, because I'm watching GameStop still fall. No, actually, no, GameStop did bounce.
Should we do that? Let's do that. I don't know if we can do that, actually. I don't think I got any funds in my account, but we could have traded.
That one out, 1250, nice little long, up to 1380.
Maybe another time we'll do some day trading.
So, yeah.
And we'll just do this down a couple notes. So this is like loads of bass noises. I'd have to work out how to not show my P&L though. That would be the only thing. Hey, that's cool. All right, we're in. And we're in for the downside, and we're going to put in a note here, and it's all very exciting, and it's stay trading, making music. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know if I could keep up those energy levels. Maybe if we had like 2 or 3 producers all making a tune at one time, and you'd like jump between each other and be like, and this is what I've done, and this is what I'm doing. Might be quite exciting to watch. My buy order got cancelled on one of my stocks. I'm just going to sort that out now, because I really want to buy this HCMC. HCMC. Up in the place. Hey TC, can we do a WOLFPACK track feedback sometime? Yeah, we could do that. In fact, you post all your tunes in Discord, so we could just go through and listen to the Discord ones, considering you've put them in there. Are we doubling up on the messages now? My dog's trying to get in the room. Let's get a little EQ on there. These bass noises are just way too bright. Let's go grab this Amec EQ here. I think Sophie's making me a tea or a coffee or something. And just gotta try and put in a buy order on this thing. Buy. I want 200,000 of them. I guess it's gonna just be 100,000. Okay. Damn, I'm up on that stock. HCMC, let's go! To the moon! Let's double up this. Mike Richmond's got the goosebumps. I haven't made a tune in so long that, apart from that remix, that I feel a little bit out of the game, out of the schnizzle. Oh, I like that one too. And I'm back in the room. Okay. fighting my processor at the moment. You know, do you ever get that feeling where you just feel like you're 42% there? Sophie just walked in and said she likes this one. Can I put you on camera? Are you happy with that? Are you comfortable with that? There you go. There. Here. She hasn't brushed her hair today. Lockdown. All right. Oh, Rex is here. Hey. Hey, puppy. He's like, nope. I love wolves. The CPU is shorting out TC's preset pack. It's true. I feel like these markets are going mad again. I want to know what's going on.
So, yeah, look. I mean, I'm obviously a bull on Palantir, and you can see this, a nice little long right there. We tried to get out at 42.
Palantir's like dropped out and it's bouncing back up.
30 cents. So you got to watch out, find the liquidity spots. But out there, a nice little trade. So we're really super happy with the way Palantir goes. And look, I still think we can take out this 43. I'm going to try to hold it to see if we can do that. But some levels to look at right here. 41. Once 41 broke, we crashed. So when 41 comes back, we'll be fine.
This is Trader.tv live, by the way.
Right there. GME, AMC on Robert Knight.
They get a lot of people watching.
With less up at the open. Yeah, I mean, we'll talk about AMC.
12,285 people watching
right now. But yeah, I'll be trading all of these names through the open. I think you got to play dips and to just protect some of these bottoms. If the bottoms break on GameStop, like if it's 14, sorry, if what was that bottom on AMC? It was 1280 or something? Let me just check it out quickly.
I see lower than that.
I have a chart didn't go. What was it, Neil?
I have a. That can't be
1180. Sorry, not 1280. Yeah, right here, 1175. Like that breaks.
Hey, I got my shares.
Got to get out of AMC. So let's just play it, guys. It's going to be a fun day.
100,000 shares in HCMC.
Yeah, so I know it's the next one on the list, anyways. But I just finished. I just finished talking about Virgin Galactic down here at that 46. You saw me try to bid it. Couldn't cash some.
Ellis Palmer says, flexing YouTube Premium, OETC. Yeah, I don't have like anything but YouTube Premium. I don't have like computer game systems. I literally just watch YouTube all day. Bankfish. Quite like that. I don't know if I've got any macros on that preset. Rex isn't happy about being kicked out. Let's get the automation on. And what was that? That one there. Why doesn't that work? Is that a vital thing? Vital macro 1. Oh no. Is there an issue with automation and vital? Has anyone got any ideas why this is not coming up with automation? The dog is just... One second, I'm just going to... And I'm back in the ring. Am I missing chats here? Is there a function like linked to controller? Not sure. Never had this issue before. I've never used Vital with automation in... Do you want to say hello, do you? Hello. Hello, Rex. Hello, Rex. Time for a little break. Time for a dog massage. Dog massage. Oh, yeah, scratch me on the ass. That's interesting. Not had that issue before. Not quite sure how to deal with that. It seems like it's just blocked out. Rex, I'm a bit busy right now, mate. He never asks for attention, ever, unless I'm doing this. He's like, I want to speak to the WOLFPACK, but I don't know what to say. I want to put husky fur all over your microphone. Come on out of the way now. Go and lie down. Go and lie down. Good boy. That is a good sound. Vital. Oh, aha. No. I thought I had it there, but I don't. Anybody got any ideas? Learn MIDI assignment. Enter value. Set the learn MIDI assignment. Should we just do it on one of these controllers here? Okay. And then is that going to work in here? I mean, I got it. Yeah, I think you're right. I think that could be the breakdown sound. Move that over to 49. Put that there. I don't know why it wouldn't let me record in MIDI. Maybe if I just record it in with the MIDI and it will just let me do it. Need a count in of 1 bar. Liked it just sort of almost on I'm going to come back to that. I don't know why that isn't working. That's slightly distressing. this is the one. Maybe it's not the one. It's all about the mood that it creates, isn't it? Ah, is it because I've got this pitch thing here? Aha! Aha! So I had a MIDI plugin before the synth. And then I guess, what's the second controller in there? And gonna have to get rid of the low end in that. Let's see what. Sorry, it's all a bit of a mess, and I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'm just making a tune. And I was gonna be making presets, but I guess that ain't happening. Ah, yes. So that is there. And it's still not doing it. Maybe I just have to choose it here. Vital. Vital. It's doing it again. Macro 2. Wait. A bit messy. Percussion says you could speed up the LFO a bit to make it more scatty. Definitely needs a vocal. Maybe not. Probably what needs to happen is it needs to be copied over to another channel. It's all not coming together. Maybe just take out the bass part of it, which will be one of the oscillators. Monk Audio says, just bought the ARPS pack, big up bro, some sick sounds in that. Well, I'm using them now. Maybe it doesn't need beats on the intro. Necron says TC made some pocket change today. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced on any of the ARPy kind of stuff. I do like that kind of stuff, but it feels a bit techie for this kind of tune. Full pad is exactly what I was thinking, Necron. You got me on that. I'm going to get rid of these. I don't want to, but is there more drums I want to put in this? I think not right this second. I'll just close it for now. I got just the pads. More contact. Original Mr. Runner says, can I not just drop it out? I could maybe just drop it out. But once you've gone so far with something, it's like you're building the anticipation for something that may not necessarily deliver. Monk Audio says, do I have any advice on how to approach labels or artists you want to contact through which platform is best? I don't know. Some artists are more open than others about being contacted. Labels are usually probably quite easy to get hold of if you got some good tunes, but not quite sure how. I mean, sometimes a lot of labels probably just got an email and I would just send them 320 MP3s and maximum of 3 tunes and like your 3 best tunes. But I would wait until you're ready. So like after your 100th or 200th tune that you've made. Necron says, yeah, some artists hate unknowns, contact them. He learned that the hard way. Yeah, don't send like 24-bit 96K 100 megabyte waves. It's not going to be, it just won't get downloaded because all our hard drives are just so full. We're going to go Dark City 2. Original Mr. Running says 130 megabyte WAVs. Mike Richmond says start your own label. Yeah, to be honest. Oh my God. Oh, wow. It's just so good. I love this synth that I made. I think that's the one. So good. Artifact says T-break. He's back, he can't stay away. So this is like, this instrument is like loads of different things all mixed together. And it needs some like, some like weird effects. Like long sort of build up. Fish. Navy says, okay, gonna leave, got bills to pay and things to do, but that's cool to make a track together like in the first lockdown. Did it ever even stop? Tonight says mental. We're still holding on to a few people watching, which is good. Probably doesn't need a 64 and a 49 intro. Feel like I could do some more with this now. So let's go to Vital here. Get rid of this piece. All right, love. And we'll go macro 1 and just go here. Just get rid of that. And then I'm going to make another macro in that Vital and make more of like a low key sort of one. So probably going to be on the filter here, down here, and then kind of down. And it's going to be macro 3, Vital, macro 3. Put it up there, down to there. Tom Cross says, you reckon we'll ever get the track breakdown on Tap O? There's only like 4 tracks in Tap O. Didn't know about that. Jacob says, oi, Wolfpack. What are you saying, Jacob? Stocks are moving. Maybe no beats on the intro. Quasili's in here. Thanks, sweetheart. I have £50 of Bitcoin. Thanks, man. I'm glad you could be here to join me. Hey, 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 hey. Jeez. Yes. Oh, no, not on the second one. Like percussion and shakers and all of that business. £1 fish. I think we can come up with a better concept. Hungry shark. Excuse me. I had some sushi for lunch. I had to run around. I sent off a hat to somebody in America. Somebody very kindly bought a hat off tcdnb.com. And I went to Waitrose and I got some Waitrose sushi. Kind of flossy. Was that a mistake? Original Mr. Running says he doesn't like. Do you not like sushi, bruv? I'm in love with these sounds. Artifact says we have a new Japanese place that just opened up in my town. Ramen, noodles, sushi, miso soup. Very nice. More contacts needed. 2 more contacts. I wish to have some shakers. I got these shakers that I made. All these new instruments that I spent a long time slaving over making. TC Perk, instruments, the shakers. Night Glow says banger. Nice one, mate. That's the one. Is that one that I just did there? No. It was the shakers, and I also wanted to have something else. I can't remember. But let's do the shakers now. Was it D? I remember. It was like I got this other one that I made. Experimental instruments, and it is a couple more things as well. Cyber War, that's a good one. But it was what is it? Not Machines, not Magic Roundabout. Oh, what is it? It's not Speak and Spell. It's like Circuit Bent. There it is. What was that note then? Oh! We might be able to do that Wolfpack thing. I'm pretty gassed on this. Pretty gassed on this tune. I feel like there's going to be a lot more of this kind of stuff, this kind of tunes. speak and spell. We've got words. Let's do the words. Cultured, mediated says, is TC on Twitch? I'm on Twitch. There's 3 people watching on Twitch. Hello, all the people on Twitch. Hello.
Tomorrow, wonder, diamonds, dollars, dollars, dollars.
I mean, that's pretty cool. Dollars.
String, 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 sugar, view, cord, candy, behold, watch, candy, candy, cord,
Ah!
cord,
Candy.
candy, 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 cord, city, diamond, dollar, dollar.
Dollar. Dollar.
Dollar.
Dollar.
Dollar.
It's my contact library, bro. I make my own contact libraries. I just go in, I just make them happen, bro.
Dollar. Dollar.
Alex Corrigan says, oh, is it speak and spell? Lol. Where's that contact library from? I just said, because I make them. Self-actualized, says Necron. Original soldier, 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 soldier. Probably need like zoom in there as well. Let's I feel like we're making history right now with all 36 people watching. Dollar.
Dollar.
Yeah, maybe dollar ain't the one. I think I agree. I do like dollar. I mean, it kind of fits with the brand.
Watch. Dollar. Life. Singular. Rain. Oceans. Life. Level. Level. Wife. Tomorrow. To and view. Warm. Was. Ocean. Pleasure. Promise. Full. Quiet. Ready.
Ready.
Dollar. Diamond. City. Court. Candy. Beaches. Yacht. Word. One hole. Welcome. Watch. Wash. Welcome. Welcome.
I wonder if fish is in there.
Welcome. Warm. View to trouble. Trader. Touch. Tomorrow. today, terror, talk, squat, surgeon, sugar, string, statue, squat, source, statue, string, stranger, statue, squat, source, someone, ski, shield, serious, search, rhythm, ready, quiet, pull, promise, police, pleasure, other, ocean, mirror, minute, machine, machine, language, journey, iron, heavy, heaven, guy, guess, for, extra, enough, earth, discover, danger, courage, circuit,
Yeah, this took me a long time to make.
bullet, brother, blood, bullet, brother, blood, believe, leave.
We're back in Ableton. Let me just turn that down a bit so it's not like rinsing out your ears.
Terror, today, tomorrow, touch, trader, trouble, to, view, warn, watch, roll, the rule, one word, yacht, beacon, course, dime, dollar,
Ooh, there's two of them.
dime, dollars.
That pang bass is cool. But maybe it could just be on every other one, and then I could put in like another bass in there. Like still coming together as another tune. I really appreciate everybody that's managed to hang on and is still watching. It's a bit of a impromptu kind of stream. Ellis Palmer's been put in Facebook jail for 24 hours. What did you do? Welcome, J Ford Den. I'm not sure if that is quite the bass, but I like it. Yo! Yo! It's not quite the one, but it's cool. You posted a reaction video and apparently it's against their guidelines. Oh dear. Yo! I'm enjoying myself. Can you tell? You posted a reaction video to this tune and you got banned. It's just too filthy, bruv. That's weird, isn't it? Did you say the F word or something? What are you eating? Curry. Ah. Cherry bin. Is it really echoey to you? Because I really want to turn it up. I don't think that's the bass. It's a bit meh. It's a bit sort of like not really me. Oh, look what I did. Jump up bass. Look what you did. Kind of like that sort of flavor. just like a not really anything, but kind of sick still. Careful and tentative moves forward. Loopback. Is that like a plugin for OBS? Still not convinced on that sound. I like the pattern. Flappy. Jump up bass. That's nice. That is huge. That is huge. That is huge. Sorry for the echoes. I'm blasting it in the studio. Very nice. I like very much the sound of the drum and bass. I need a dropout section with just the bass and the drums. Oh, maybe. Did I get rid of that other instrument? In the middle piece, there could just be that other thing. Subculture says, big up Wolfpack. Wolfpack assembling, making a banger.
Welcome to view. terror, talk, swap, talk, terror, 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 dollar, terror, talk, swap, surgeon, sugar, string, sugar, sugar, dollar, sugar.
Mike Richmond says the van is shaking. I love that, the way it changes, but it doesn't come back in with the bass and then comes back in with a different bass. And probably a little change on the bass there. Duplicate. Delete that bit there. I can't believe nobody's hit save yet. You guys are slipping, man. A bass fill at the end is a good shout. It's such a big bass noise. It's just it's nice. How can we change that a little bit so it's different? Ooh, that's just lovely, isn't it? There's a gap there, isn't there? There's a gap there. Yo! Do you think it should go higher? I could do that. Let's join that. I agree. I think higher could be better. It's very loud. Do, 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 do. Yo. Woo.
dollars, dollars,
Fucking hell. Delay on the vocal, I agree. It's starting to feel like that second piece now needs to be in the first piece. It's like hard work. That's not going to work, is it? It was a nice idea. I'm going to do a little version 2 on this just to keep it safe. Original Mr. Runner says, I'm already copying this at 420. Need some hats now, so let's keep moving forward. It's pretty damn sick. Thanks, Mike. these drums. We need a bit of saturation on them. Ellis Palmer says I should put a pre-order thing on my website. Well, you can pre-order the tune, The Work in Progress, that's not going to come out for 6 months. In all seriousness, though, just out of interest, do you guys think that this section in this part here where my mouse is should be on the drop? Do you think is there a way to make it jump over to that piece? To skip a piece? I bet there ain't. Is there? Can we make it skip it? Is it these? One second, guys. I bought 300,000 shares for £27. Like 0.0001. They're gone up quite a lot. Right. 9. They've actually gone down quite a lot now. Okay. This is a long play, though. This basically there's a court case that's going to happen with the shares. The guy owns the intellectual property for a crucial piece of like a vape coil. And he's taking them to court, and they're going to buy him out, and then his shares are going to rocket. So, this is bad. Okay. Sorry, family business. I'm just streaming right now. I'm going to listen to it from the top again, and then I'm going to go to the bathroom and have a break. I should do the switch at the end of every 16. I should do, yeah. Sean Hockman says, what a perfect channel, DnB production and financial tips. There's no financial tips. This is not financial advice. Some levels right there. Let's get a little EQ on there. Craig says it actually doesn't sound too pushed to say how loud it is. That's because all the source sounds that I'm using are really good quality. So the drums in particular, it's all very high quality stuff, all recorded in my own studio or garage. In my garage. Magic. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna just mess with this mastering stuff for a second. Just gonna make this mono from the low end up to 200. I had somebody come on my, was it YouTube or the Discord the other day, and they were like, TC, you're an old man. You're just an old man making things mono from 300 hertz down. Memphis puts things in stereo down in his bass way below there, and I'm like, way to make me feel good about myself. Cheers. Two dB at 600 hertz. Nice and wide. And a little roll off on the bass, 30 hertz. Craig says, TCU old. Hey. Yo. TCU old. TCU old. I'm busting for a piss here. I'm like 2 coffees in. If I had like a mute button for the microphone when I blast it, that would probably stop it from echoing. TCU old, man. TCU old. TCU old. Actually, I probably could mute the microphone. I'm just going to blast it for a second. Where's my audio thing? But Original Mr. Runner says, what the hell has sugar got to do with dollars? I don't know. I had to get my ears out then. Do you remember a while back when I had that? I took my hat off and I showed you my hair. I'm not showing you my hair now. My hair is like Carl Broflovsky right now. Need some hats on the intro. I quite like TC, your old vocal. That's my VIP. TC, you old. I need to bounce some bits in there. These, let's do a little freezing time. Extra. I don't know if there is extra, but I'm going to find it if there is. Serious, search, rhythm, ready, quiet, trouble, level, minimal, I have ever guessed, or extra. Ellis Palmer says, do you know you can sing the word banana to most jump up bass lines? Banana. Banana. Needs more builds.
Extra dollars.
There's the drums stood there. We take the drums and do this. I never used to like that sort of false drop thing. And then now I don't mind it.
Extra dollars.
Navy says, hey, I'm back. You still making a preset? No, I'm making a tune.
Extra.
Let's bounce in these parts here as well. Let's start doing some of the actual boring work of making tunes. I'm going to set the input to the output of that channel, Contact 14, and just record it in. I need to change the title of my stream. It's true.
Extra dollars. Extra dollars.
Yeah, I'm done for the day now, I think. That was a good stream, everyone. Thank you so much for everyone for watching. I am going to now have a bite to eat myself, I think. And yeah, that all got a bit hectic. But we made a tune in about how many hours? Some hours. I just hit save. So everybody say goodbye to each other. I can even do my readout. Should I do my little readout? I have to find it. So, if you found anything in this video interesting, please smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you can keep up to date with all that's needed from me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any ideas for future videos, I read all your comments. Don't forget to check out my sites in the description below for samples and presets. They really are incredible value for money. A massive big up to all the WOLFPACK. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. 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 Massive big ups to Jeremy, big up to Navy, big up to Original Mr. Runnings, big up to Necron, big up to Ellis Palmer, big up to DJ Doms, big up to Culture D Meditated, big up to Navy, big up to Tonight. Pop. That was fun. And it didn't feel too like stressful because it wasn't on Facebook. Evil. Nice one, guys. Take it easy. Peace. Hang tight, Ellis Palmer.